Hey, and welcome to Alpha One. So, I have some amazing news for you. I have made two pocket option robots that you can start using from today completely for free. And these two robots is not for binary option, but they are for Forex. Because if you didn't know, you can also trade Forex here at Pocket Option, and I will show you how. But before I do that, below the video, you'll find a link to these two Forex robots that you can download today and get started with today completely for free. Okay, so now let me show you how you can get your account set up. First, you're here in Pocket Option, okay? Then what you do, you go to Trading. Then you can so you can have a Forex MT4 account and you can have a Forex MT5 account. I chose to take a MT4 account. Okay, you will need to have some money, okay, from before. If you deposit more than $100, you get 50% extra with my link that you find below the video. Okay, so we go here. Then you come to, you can see that I have already put $1,000. What you do, you just go to this dollar sign here. Then you can push internal transfer. Then you can transfer money from your real account that you have from before over to your live account that you have at MetaTrader. Then you can choose whatever amount you want, and you can then just confirm transfer, and it's automatically done. Okay. Now I did $100 extra. See, was not meaning, but I did. So what I do after? Then you go to this thing you see up print up there that say a 4. Just push that. There you get your login information, all this good stuff that you need. To get the terminal thing that you need to go to this you see up here. With this looks like a computer on this. Then you choose Windows if you have Windows, Android, Mac, Macintosh, Linux, whatever you need, so you can get this web terminal. Okay. When you have done that, then you come to the cool stuff. Then let me show you. Then let me see. You get this one here. So here you can see I have planted both my two robots. I will show you also how you do that. What you do, first you get two files from me, okay? Then you go to open data folder here. Under file, you open data folder. Then you go to, let me see, you go to, let's say correct for you here now. Let me go a little back. You go to MQL4, then you go to experts, and then you pass the file there. Okay, so MQL4, experts, and pass the two files there. When you've done that, then you just go to, you go here in the navigator, you push this plus here, you push refresh, and then you can just take your left mouse and drag it over to here. So the Alpha 1 trader, that one you put on GBP USD on 50 minutes. This pocket option Alpha, this one you put for euro against dollar on 15 minutes also. And then you can see here now I can open here now. Both I have now just set to 0.01. I will change this a little later on, but for now that's good enough for me. So I will myself now let this robot run by itself 24/7. This robot will trade Monday to Friday, and I will keep you updated how much money we lose with this robot. Okay, so once again, if you want to get started with Forex also at Pocket Option, now is your chance. You can get two robots completely for free from me. The only thing I ask is that you use my affiliate links that you find when you go to this URL I gave you below, and you deposit with my affiliate links, because yes, I will check every single one that make a claim that I have made a deposit. I will check if they have done through my affiliate link, so you need to use mine to get these free robots. Okay, So with that, have an amazing day, and I really hope you make a lot of money with Forex.